Hello students, how are you? I'm good. I hope you all are also doing good. I am your teacher and I'm going to teach a new topic today. But before proceeding further, I would like to introduce myself to you. Hello, my name is Meenakshi Kashyap. I am a teacher. I work in Wilco International School. I like to read books. Thank you. So that was my brief introduction. If you are to introduce yourself, or if someone asks you about yourself, how would you introduce yourself? So for this I have made a presentation for you. When you are to introduce yourself, you have to greet the person who is asking about yourself first. If the person is elder than you, if the person asking about yourself is elder than you, you are to say good morning, good afternoon or good evening, and whatever the time is, as per the time you have to greet the person. Or if the person asking about yourself is younger than you or is a friend of yours, then you are to say hello, like I said hello in my introduction. Okay, so after greeting the person, you are to tell your name. What did I say first in my introduction? I told my name. So you are to say, like, my name is Meenakshi Kashyap. So I said, what did I say? I said my name is Meenakshi Kashyap. So here you are to tell your name. My name is, but with full sentence you have to say my name is. Okay, what after telling your name, what is the next step? The next step is you are to tell your age. How old are you? Like how many birthdays have you celebrated? 4, 5. Or if you don't know, you can ask your parents also. So here you have to tell your age. I am dash years old. Most of the UKG students are 5. So you can say I am 5 years old. So after telling your name, now you are to say what do you do? Like what do I do? I work in Wilco International School. And what do? You study in Wilco International School. So you can say I study in Wilco International School. What do? You study in Wilco International School. So you are supposed to say I study in Wilco International School. After telling the name of your school, you are to tell your hobbies. What do you like to do? Like what do I like to do in my leisure time, in my spare time? What do I like to do? I like to read books. That is what I said in my introduction. I like to read books. So what do you like to do? If you like to play with your toys, you can say I like to play with my toys. Or if you like to play with your dolls, you can say I like to play with my dolls. I like to ride a bicycle. I like to play Ludo. Okay, so after you have to say your hobbies here. After telling your hobbies, you are to say thank you to the person who is asking about yourself for asking you the same. Okay, so say thank you for asking. Okay, I hope you all liked the presentation. So task for the day is you are to stand in front of mirror and repeat all these lines, so that if someone asks you about yourself, you should know what you are supposed to say. Okay, so that is all for my that is all about myself. Okay, so students, I think we should now move further. Okay, I have made another PPT for you which will cover our today's topic. Okay, but first tell me one thing. Have you all done your holiday homework? Yeah? Very good. Claps for you. If you have done your homework, well done. Very good. So you may have done 3-letter words also, which were there in your holiday homework, right? So we'll do a quick recap of those 3-letter words. Okay? All these all are the words that were there, that were mentioned in your holiday homework, that you have already done. So we'll do a quick recap of them. Okay, of all these words. and all these words have vowel, all the vowels as medial sound. Like we have, see, we have a, o, e and a as medial sounds. So all these words have all the vowels a, e, I, o, u as medial sounds. Okay. So we are going to do a quick recap of these words. Now I am going to say this word. You have to say the word with me. Okay. You have to repeat the word after me. Say cat, cat. Cat, cat. Bag, bag. Bag, bag. Jam, jam. Jam, jam. Hen, hen. Hen, hen. Egg, leg. Egg, leg. Bed, bed. Bed, bed. Dot, dot. Dot, dot. Fox, fox. Fox, fox. God, God. God, God. In a tin. In a tin. Pig, pig. Pig, pig. It, hit. It, hit. Jug, jug. Jug, jug. Nut, nut. Nut, nut. Tub, tub. Tub, tub. Very good. Claps for you. Very nice. So we have done a revision of all those words which we have done in holiday homework. All these 3-letter words were taught to you in your previous class also. Okay. So now we should move forward. We should now move further to our next slide. So our topic for the day is sight words. What are sight words? I am going to tell you what the sight words are. Sight words are the words that are repeatedly used in the printed material or books. They are the words that are frequently used in the books. These are the words that are read on sight. Means if you see a particular word, you should be able to read it at first sight. And these are the words which cover 75% of the books. So once you have mastered all the sight words, you will be able to read any particular book. And how can you master the sight words? You can master the sight words by practice, or by saying them repeatedly. So today I am going to make you repeat some sight words after me, and I have chosen the simpler sight words for the beginning. Okay, so shall we start? Okay. So these are and one most important thing about the sight words is that they often do not follow the rules of phonics. Yes, they often do not follow the rules of phonics. For example, I'm going to explain it to you. We'll take this word, okay? How would you read this word? This particular word, how would you read it? Phonetically? How would you read it phonetically? Ma, e, me. Ma, e, me. But this is not read as ma, e, me. This is not read as me. This is me. Yes, this is me. So that is why it is said, that is why the sight words are not phonics compatible. Okay? The sight words are not phonics compatible. So I'm going to start with the sight words now. These are the words I have chosen for you, and these are the simpler ones. Okay. Now repeat after me. Say I. Good. Say I. Very good. Me. Good. Very nice. We would now move to next slide. Okay. Okay, say repeat after me. My. This is my. Okay, read this word. Can you read this word phonetically? If you are to read this word phonetically, how would you read it? T-H-L. Tah. But this is not read as tah or tahi. This is read as the. That is why it is called that sight words are not phonics compatible. Okay. So this is the. Say the. Repeat after me. Say with me. The. And the is the most common word, most common sight word. The. Say the. Very good. Now we will move to next slide. Next two sight words, and they are you. So the next two sight words are you. Say you. Very good. We. This is we. Very nice. Now we are moving towards next two sight words. Now the next two sight words are they. Say they. Repeat after me. They. Very good. Next is us. Very good. Now we'll move towards the next slide. On the next slide we have two another sight words, and they are are. Say, repeat after me. Are. Off. This is off. Very good. Very nice. Wow. Well done. Claps for yourselves. So today we have done 10 sight words. We have practiced 10 sight words today. Okay. Now we are going to do some worksheets. Okay. So this is a worksheet which I have made for you, and we are going to do this worksheet. These are sight words, say and write. This worksheet says say and write. It means you have to say and then write. Okay. So first sight word is I. So on this dot, place your pencil and write I. Write I here, and then write I again. So say and write. Say I. Then Next sight word is me. So say and write. Me, and then write again me. So you have to say and write twice. Okay, you have to write a word twice. So this is the worksheet which contains 10 sight words, and you have to do all these 10 sight words. Okay. So students, we have another worksheet with us. I have made a worksheet for you, and this worksheet says sight word match. Sight word match. So what we are going to do, in this it is written that each word on the left has a match on the right. Draw a line between each match. Like you have to write the words which are given in left column with the right column. Okay, with the words that are in the right column. So this is, what is this? Read it, kindly read it. This is the. Okay, so can you find the here in the left, in the right column? Can you find the? Where is the? Yeah, I found it. So the is here. I'll match the with the by drawing a line between them. Okay. Now next one is R. R. Can you see R in the right column? R. Yes, I found it. So we'll match R with R. And next one is U. Oh, U. Where is U? Where is? Yeah, I found it. I've got it. U is right here only. It is here, U. So like this, you are supposed to match all the words, okay, all the sight words. And just below this worksheet, we have, below that we have one more activity, and that is fill in the missing letters to complete the sight words. So we have to fill the blanks, okay, the blanks over here. So the first one is her, he, but we have not read he as sight word as yet, have we? No. So, and there is a blank over here also just before he. So what can be filled here? Yes, T. So we'll write T here, and it will become the. Yes, the. Very good. Now we'll move on to next one, and that is Y. Only Y is there, and there is a blank before Y. So what can be filled here? Tell me. Yes, M. So M, we will write M here, and it will become my. Very good. Clap for yourselves. So like this, you have to complete all the worksheets. You have to do all the worksheets which have been uploaded on the school pack. So kindly do it. I hope you all liked my presentation, my video, and I hope I was able to make you understand the topic sight words. Okay, it's time to say bye. Bye. Have a nice day. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.